With all the news of outer space and space stocks, SpaceX, this and that, Nike has released the Moon shoe, a re-release of a classic silhouette with nylon detailing and a huge swoosh. Interesting, not one that I usually review, but what do you think of this pair right here? Hello, and welcome to another episode of QuickSchopes. Today we have the Nike Moon shoe, and this pair is in Midnight Navy, Sail, Black. Let me take this opportunity to ask you to like, leave your thoughts, subscribe, ring that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Yeah, purchase links for these and all the other colorways in the description. Stay tuned for the on foot. So yeah, let's start from the soles up. So we have a black waffle outsole. We have a very, very thin black midsole, and then we come to this upper. So this upper is mainly composed of nylon, and if we start from around the toe, you'll see this nylon upper around the toe and on the toe bolts. You also see some zigzag hem detailing, very, very nice. Going up the shoe, you'll see more of this nylon material in Midnight Navy with that zigzag hem, and at the base we have some Midnight Navy laces to the thickness that I like. These laces conceal a thin nylon Midnight Navy tongue, and at the top of this tongue you'll see a Midnight Navy tongue tab with a sail swoosh and black lowercase Nike detailing. Taking a look at the mid portion of the shoe, you'll see that the mid panel once again features that Midnight Navy nylon, and we have a lighter Midnight Navy piece of material near the toe of the shoe. And then we come to the swoosh. So the swoosh is a huge swoosh right here in sail leather. Very, very nice. It looks really big, bold on that Midnight Navy upper. As we come to the foxing around the collar of the shoe, you'll see that we've got a double hem detailing right there, also in Midnight Navy. And then as we come to the heel of the shoe, it's blank heel tab detailing, similar to that portion around the toe. Really, really nice in Midnight Navy, and this coincides with the heel, which is a separate portion of the same material. Take a look inside the shoe, you'll see that the sock liner is really, really thin in Midnight Navy, and for the insole it's black, and we have a backwards swoosh, which is in sail. Let me know what you think of this pair. For me, these are cool. This one is cool. My first thoughts on this pair, that is quite light, really, really light. The proportions of this shoe are interesting. The midsole as well, my goodness. I haven't reviewed a shoe with such a slight midsole like this. Look at that. You put an Air Force next to this, it's night and day difference, but it's still cool nonetheless. I like, having a look at different things. The waffle outsole is a great touch right here. Nice grip and everything like that. Good quality. The materials of this one is nice. I do like the nylon detailing. I do like the zigzag elements to the edge of the eye stay and around the toe as well. I think those are nice portions as well. And of course the little tonal differences on the Midnight Navy compared to the elements that are in that material. I'm not sure what this material is. It does feel like a nubuck, but I like it nonetheless. It provides a little difference to the upper on the heel and stuff like that, which I think is cool, and it's in a similar color. I do like when we have different materials in the same color, it just looks good. The swoosh. The swoosh is huge, and I do love a good, big, fat swoosh, and this pair, does provide that. It looks really good. It takes up most of the shoe. I like that. It's in sail. It stands out really, really nicely. Another detail that I found interesting is the reverse swoosh inside the shoe. So we have reverse swooshes, and I don't know why. This might have been on the original pair or something like that. I'm not sure why it's a reverse swoosh. Last but not least, the tongue tab. So the tongue tab features the swoosh, and it has the lowercase Nike detailing, which I think is great. It's just something different rather than the block capital detailing. That it does remind me of old school Nike branding. Really, really nice. And this is also shared on the box as well. This nice box, orange box, really, really good. I do like that. And you got the swoosh with the Nike detailing in that lowercase once again on there as well. When it comes to the laces, Midnight Navy laces in this pair, perfect. You could switch them out maybe to a sail lace to go with the swoosh, or maybe to a black lace to go with the outsole or something like that. I think all three ideas work well. You only get these midnight navy laces with this one, so if you want to do a lace swap, you can do from your lace bot. This pair fits true to size. Let's check these out on feet. With all that being said, a cool pair in my opinion. That's why I give these a 6.5 out of 10. It's not for me, not really my style. It's a little bit too lean for me, but if that's your style, if that's what you like, this is good. For what it is, I think it works well. It does what it needs to do. It feels nice, thin, light on the foot, nice detailing, the zigzag hem and the double hem right here. Good. This is a good one. Let me know what you think of these and how does it compare to the other colorways as well. I think there was a sail colorway and I believe there's a black colorway as well. I think a black and sail and a sail and black maybe. Anyway, links in the description, purchase links if you want to pick up a pair, all down there. Anyway, I've been Schopes. Thank you everybody for subscribing, sharing your thoughts. It's always appreciated. Signing out. See ya.